Big news! Germany's student visa process is getting a major update in 2025. There's a new online system, and VFS Global will help in many countries. You'll need more money saved, and the old appeal process ends July 1st, 2025. I'll show you the new steps, what documents you need, and how to avoid rejection. By the end, you'll have a clear plan for your 2025 German student visa. Your German student visa stands on 3 pillars: university acceptance, proof of funds, and the application process. First, you need an official university acceptance letter. Second, show you have enough money, usually in a blocked account. Third, apply online and upload your documents before visiting the embassy. Get these right, and you're set for success. Step 1. Get your official Zulassungsbescheid, which is your university acceptance letter. Letters that say you're accepted with some conditions or without any conditions are both fine, but a letter without conditions is better. Apply for your visa at least 3 months before you plan to travel. Don't wait. As soon as you get accepted, start getting your documents ready and preparing your application. Getting ready early is the best way to avoid stress and delays. Time to get your papers ready. You'll need a valid passport, visa application form, passport photos, acceptance letter, school certificates, with translations if needed, a motivation letter, and proof of travel health insurance, plus proof of funds, at least 11,208 euros in a blocked account, or a sponsor letter, or scholarship proof. Check your embassy's website for updates. Scan and label everything clearly. Official links are in the description. The biggest change: Germany's new online system for visa services. Create an account, fill out your application online, and upload all your documents as clear, labeled PDF files. In many countries, VFS Global now helps with collecting papers. After you send your documents online, you'll make an appointment at a VFS center. They will check your original papers, take your fingerprints and photos, and then send your application to the embassy. Always check your country's exact process on the embassy website. Don't just guess, check every step. Once you've uploaded your documents, book your in-person appointment. Spots get taken fast. Bring all your original papers and copies, organized just like the embassy's list. At your appointment, they will check who you are, take your fingerprints and photos, and ask you some questions. Be ready to answer questions about your university, your study program, your money, and what you plan to do in the future. Stay calm, be honest, and make sure your answers match your application. Getting ready is important. Practice what you'll say beforehand. After your interview, the wait begins. The visa fee is usually $75, plus a VFS service fee if you use them. Check for updates. Processing takes about 25 days, but it can be 4 to 12 weeks or longer. Apply at least 3 months early to avoid stress. Track your application online, but avoid too many emails to the embassy. Use this time to prepare. Find housing, learn the language, and get ready for your move. Critical update. Starting July 1st, 2025, you can no longer appeal a denied visa informally. If your visa is refused, you must either reapply from scratch or file a lawsuit in Berlin. An expensive, complex process. So, make sure your application is perfect the first time. Double-check every detail before you submit. Arrived in Germany? You're not finished yet. Register your address at the Bürgeramt. This paper is very important. Open a German bank account so you can get your monthly money from your blocked account. Connect your accounts and send your address registration to your blocked account provider. Make an appointment at the Ausländerbehörde to change your visa into a residence permit. Bring all the papers you need. Once it's approved, you'll get your electronic residence permit card. Quick expert tips. Always use your local embassy's checklist. Don't rely on general info. Clearly label all your documents, both paper and digital. Write a strong letter. Show your plan and why you'll return home. Never send fake documents. You could be banned. Practice your interview, know your program and future plans. Apply early, 3 to 4 months ahead is best. That's your complete, updated guide for the 2025 German student visa. We talked about the new online process, the documents, and what to do after you arrive. You can download the checklist and a sample interview script in the description. Like, subscribe, and tell me your country in the comments for tips just for you. Good luck. Welcome to Germany.